Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to tell about how to apply for Space Application Center SAC. It is also a center of ISRO. First of all, I want to tell you one thing that don't just think I am reading and telling you everything. Whatever is already worked, I am telling that thing only. So I am going to show you. I suggested my one of friend to mail to SAC and he got selected. You can see this mail. You are selected to do internship through Space Application Center Ahmedabad. So what you need to do is first download this application form and you have to fill it accordingly, like name, date of birth, gender. You can fill it by yourself. Now I'm going to tell you, mention prior research experience. In this you have to fill whatever you have published or you have written for a research paper. You can mention here. Mention your core technical skills. So whatever you know the software, like in aerospace there are many software like ANSYS, SolidWorks, so you can mention these two. Six is proposed research topic. So for that you can go to the website, click on project and activities. You can check these six projects. Just take the help from AI and write these two: proposed research topic and brief description of research. Then you have to write research duration, like for how many days or how many months you want the internship. Then you have to send this form to srtt@isro.gov.in. So you just have to do these things and I know you will get selected. So thank you for watching and all the best.